So in this video, we're going to show you a cool little trick to properly install the side windows on your JK Wrangler. We see this problem pop up a lot. It's basically the side of the window flapping a bit in the wind because it's not really properly installed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually start the zipper on the window about 1 to 2 inches. After you've done that, you're going to want to fold the vertical retainer into the door surround and then complete the zipper and then attach the Velcro. If you don't start it and you fully zip the zipper on the side window, you're not going to be able to have that vertical retainer piece go into the door surround, and it's just going to be flapping, blowing in the breeze on the highway, that sort of thing. So really, starting with 1 or 2 inches zipped is the key to a proper installation on a JK window.